In the latest Euro NCAP lineup, the BYD TANG becomes the first Chinese car to undergo testing, marking its entry into the European market. Joining a roster of high-performing vehicles, BYD showcases its prowess in safety with an impressive 5-star rating. With years of experience as one of the world's leading battery producers and a decade-long history in manufacturing electric cars in China, BYD brings its expertise to Europe. This newcomer has much to offer, leveraging its extensive manufacturing background to set new benchmarks for other car makers. Euro NCAP also tested the compact BYD SEAL-U, demonstrating the brand's commitment to safety across its lineup. Despite its weight and compact size, this small SUV proves its mettle, securing full points for motorcycle AEB and maintaining a strong performance. Both the BYD TANG and SEAL-U exemplify BYD's dedication to safety, showcasing a good all-round score and achieving the prestigious 5-star rating from Euro NCAP. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest in automotive safety standards. That's all for now. Subscribe for more automotive news and safety ratings. Thanks for watching.